So, the 10 minutes is up. And let us have another assessment after what you're doing sa activity na akong gihatag. So, for the grade 4 students, ang inyong buhaton connected ni siya sa inyong gibuhat na individual practice. I want you to share your sentences with your seatmate. Ask your partner to underline the adjectives in your sentences and check if the sentences are grammatically correct. So, dapat makipag-pair ka sa inyong seatmate and then i-check ninyo ang inyong mga gipangbuhat kung asa dito ang mga adjective phrases or i-check if ang grammar ba sa imo ang seatmate if sakto. And for the grade 5, exchange your work with your partner or with a partner. Dapat mag-exchange ka. And ask your partner, mangutan na kasi mong partner, to circle the sensory words and give feedback. Mag-give mo feedback, not just to encircle the sensory words on grammar and vocabulary. Maghatag ng feedback sa work sa inyo ang ka-exchange and encircle ang sensory word and feedback, okay? And lastly, for the grade 6 students, form groups of 3. Groups of 3. Read your paragraphs aloud. Your group mates will suggest one improvement for your vocabulary, grammar, or story structure. So, about this, I want everyone from grade 4 and grade 5 na isulat lang ninyo ang inyong feedback if sakto ba ang grammar or mga descriptive words and other words na ipangbutang sa inyo ang ka-pair or ka-exchange. But, however, ang grade 6 kay mag-present mo dili sa tunga kung mag-suggest mo improvement for your vocabulary, grammar, or story structure. Pag-read mo sa inyong paragraph sa inyong ka-group mates and will suggest one improvement. Mora. So, I hope na ang grade 4 and grade 5 while doing their tasks, please keep it quiet aron ang grade 6 students kay makabuhat sa ilang activity na walay sagaman. So, I will give you another 10 minutes to do your task. And now, we are done to our discussion today. I hope that all of you have a great fun of experience and listening to our topic today. And I hope that you formed a good relationship with your classmate or good communication. And next time, you will see or you will hear or you will learn a lot of topics from your classmates and also with your teachers about other lessons na pwede pa nato i-topic. So karon, let's all stand up and greet each other goodbye. Goodbye, students.